If you're trying to manage your money better, watch this first. Today we're comparing actual budget and Firefly 3. Both of these are personal finance tools. They help you track expenses, manage budgets, and understand your money. Let's start with actual budget. Actual budget is clean, simple, and focused on budgeting. It follows a zero-based budgeting style similar to YNAB. It's great if you want a straightforward way to control your spending. Now, Firefly 3. Firefly 3 is more advanced and self hosted. It gives you deep insights into your finances with detailed reports. It's better for users who want full control and customization. Here's the main difference. Actual budget is simple and focused on budgeting. Firefly 3 is more powerful and detailed. Looking at features, actual budget gives you clean budgeting tools, goal tracking, and a simple interface. Firefly 3 offers advanced reports, multiple accounts, categories, and full financial tracking. In terms of setup, actual budget is easier to get started with. Firefly 3 takes more time because it's self hosted and more complex. Now, pricing, actual budget is affordable and easy to host. Firefly 3 is free and open source, but you need to manage hosting yourself. So, actual budget is better for simplicity and ease of use. Firefly 3 is better for control and advanced tracking. So, which one should you choose? Choose actual budget. If you want a clean and simple budgeting tool, choose Firefly 3. If you want full control and detailed financial insights, both are great. It depends on how deep you want to go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.